Jai Hind, my dear student. Today we are going to learn about Excel and introduction. Okay, so after going this video, you will be able to know about Microsoft Excel and you will know how to enter the data in Excel. Okay, and how to edit and format data in Excel. So what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software that comes with Microsoft Office suite. It lets you create, store, organize, manipulate and perform calculations on the data. The data is arranged in a tabular form, that is in rows and column. So how to start the Excel? So first click on the start button, scroll to find the Excel icon and click on it to open Excel. So the MS Excel welcome screen appears. Click on the blank workbook icon to open a new workbook. Now let's learn about components of Excel window. Okay, as you can see on the screen, it is a Excel window. First is worksheet. So a worksheet is a primary working area in Excel, as you see in the center of the screen. It consists of a grid of rows and columns. Worksheet is also known as spreadsheet. So by default, a worksheet is named as sheet 1. Okay. So as you see at the bottom of the screen, that is a worksheet tab. Okay. Next is workbook. So a workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheet. So it is the primary document that contains your data, charts and other elements. By default, a workbook is named as book 1. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, there are rows and columns. Okay, so what are rows? The horizontal division in a worksheet are known as rows. So Excel has 10,48,576 rows which are numbered starting from 1. Okay, so what are column? The vertical division in a worksheet is known as column. Excel has 16,384 columns which are numbered alphabetically starting from A. So rows and column heading, these are the numbering of rows and columns. The row heading range from 1 to 10,48,576 and the column heading range from A to XFD. Okay, so cell is the intersection of row and column is known as cell. Okay, so it is the space that is used to enter data. Every cell in a worksheet can be identified with a unique combination of column and row headers known as cell address. Okay, so as you can see the active cell. So what is this? When you click on a cell, it gets surrounded by a dark colored box. Okay, as you can see on the screen. The cell is known as an active cell. By default, cell A1 is active when you open a worksheet. Okay, so everybody knows what is title bar? Yes, so it is the long horizontal bar located at the top of the window. It contains the name of the file that you are working on. Next is quick access toolbar. So it is located on the left hand side of the title bar. It contains the most frequently used commands such as save, undo and redo. Next is file tab. So this is a tab located below the quick access toolbar. Okay, can you point it out? So it contains the option to open, save and create new files. Okay. Next is ribbon. So ribbon is a strip that contains all the tabs in Excel. So these tabs contain all the groups and the related commands. Okay. Next is name box. So name box, it is located below the ribbon on the left side of the Excel window. It displays the address of the active cell. Next is formula bar. So it is a long bar that is located on the right side of the name box. It is used to write and edit the formula. It also helps you to edit formulas and content. Okay. Next is cell range. So cell range is a collection of two or more cells. Okay. So cell range are of two types, contiguous or non-contiguous. So contiguous cell range consists of cell adjacent to each other. Non-contiguous cell range consists of cells that are not adjacent to each other. Okay, next is worksheet tab. So a workbook has a collection of worksheet. So these worksheet can be tracked from the worksheet tabs. Okay, last is status bar. So you can see below. So the horizontal bar at the bottom of the window is the status bar. It contains basic information about the file you are working on. Okay, so it also contains the view control buttons. In the left corner, it shows the current mode ready or edit. In Excel, you can select a cell or range of cell to perform various tasks like entering data, formatting, or performing calculation. Okay, so now I will tell you how to edit the content. So editing a cell in Excel is a fundamental task when working with spreadsheet. You can perform various actions on the entered data. Okay, suppose now I am entering the data for subjects like maths, English, SST. So what are the subject you are studying? Science, Hindi, Sanskrit. Okay, so these are the content. So now I want to change the cell content. So what I will do, like suppose I want to change the content of science. Okay, let's change the SST. So what I will do, click on the cell and start typing. The previous content will overwritten. Okay, now I am entering the drawing. Okay, now how to delete the cell content. Okay, so what you have to do, just select the cell that contains the data that you wish to delete. So I want to delete drawing. Okay, so what will you do? Right click, clear content. Okay, now I want to delete the rows. What? Delete the row. Okay. Now I will tell you how to copy the cell content. Okay. So suppose I want to copy the content Hindi. So select the cell to be copied. Right click, copy and paste where you want to copy. Okay. So see here Hindi is copied into B5. Okay. Now thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand the Excel. Okay, so subscribe and do comment in the comment box. Thank you. Jai Hind.